Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick with your political news roundup for Friday, May 27th. The latest pressure on Libyan dictator Muammar Qadhafi to leave office comes from an important source, Russia. President Demitry Medvedev said today that Qadhafi should leave. He also said Russia was ready to mediate Qadhafi's departure. Medvedev said Russia will send representatives to Libya to meet with the rebel leaders and will use its contracts to negotiate a peaceful end to the conflict. Medvedev added, however, that Russia was not prepared to offer asylum to Gaddafi. Look for more announcements from Republicans next week in the 2012 presidential sweepstakes. Former Massachusetts Governor Mitt Romney is expected to announce his candidacy. He's been aggressively raising funds and giving speeches, and the official announcement will be considered a formality. Another potential candidate has emerged, Texas Governor Rick Perry. After months of saying he had no interest in the White House, Perry now says he will consider it once the state's legislature adjourns next week. He's a conservative who's the longest-serving Texas governor in history and who has never lost an election. Corporations have the same rights to make campaign contributions as individuals. That's the ruling from U.S. District Judge James Kacharis. He found the law banning corporations from contributing to federal candidates unconstitutional. The judge said a previous ruling involving contributions by the Citizens United group established that individuals and corporations have the same right to political speech. A judge in Minnesota earlier had ruled that state's ban on corporate donations was legal. This is all a sign that the matter is likely headed to the Supreme Court. And an extension of the Patriot Act is now in place. President Obama signed it into law by remote control late last night after the measure was passed on the final day before expiration by the House and Senate. The 4-year extension gives the government expanded powers to search records and conduct wiretaps while investigating suspected terrorists. The president was in France as part of his European tour when he authorized the remote signature using an automated pen at the White House. That's your political roundup for Friday, May 27th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Have a great weekend and stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.